When someone coughs, in Syrian dialect we say صحة صحة. It literally means health, but we don't mean we are giving them health. It's more like saying be healthy, be well, or hope you are okay. So next time someone coughs, try saying صحة in Syrian style. وداعا.